Science and technology. Evan Abel is an endocrinologist who identified the link between adipose tissue glucose transporter and insulin resistance. Walt W. Braithwaite, an engineer, led the development of computer-aided design and manufacturing systems at Boeing and contributed to the initial graphics exchange specification. Ira Ferguson, born in 1904, was a distinguished clinical psychologist. Yvette Frances McBarnett, born in 1926, was a pioneering pediatrician, the first practitioner to use prophylactic antibiotics in children with sickle cell, and the second black woman to enroll at Yale School of Medicine. Christopher Huey is a Virgin Galactic astronaut and senior engineering manager for flight sciences, having successfully completed the Unity 25 space mission. Kerry E. Nelson is a microbiologist who published the first ever comprehensive human microbiome study. Robert Rashford is a Jamaican-born aerospace engineer and inventor, known for his work on spacecraft and contributions to the Hubble Space Telescope. Mercedes Richards, born in 1955, was a pioneering astronomer, the first to make images of the gravitational flow of gas between stars in binary systems, and the first to apply tomography in astronomy. John Thomson is a computer programmer who invented the Lingo programming language, used in Adobe Director.